avoid parking right in the middle of the ramp. They will deflect. It's been engineered, it's been reviewed, but you will still see several inches of deflection. That's okay. So still be able to give you your spots. Make sure you have radio. Make sure you're watching what you're supposed to be watching. Don't talk on the radio if you don't need to, but at the same time, everyone has the right to say stop if you see something, if you see a chain come loose, if you see a noise, if you hear noise, whatever. So make sure you speak up.